Okay, I'm just gonna say it. This was a terrible idea for a video. Oh, wow!
Welcome to the Jorb Show.
Wow, it's not just the Jorb Show, okay?
It is now.
Bree was like, don't do this video.
And we were like, we bought the stuff already, Bree.
We bought the stuff already in December. We forgot we were gonna make this video.
Special thank you to Brooklinen for sponsoring this video.
We're gonna talk about that in a second.
Yeah.
But first, we're gonna talk about the trouble we're gonna get into today. Today, we are going to be trying temporary hair dye I bought off the internet.
Ooh.
This is stuff you can just like put in your hair and be like, ooh, my hair's crazy, and then you wash it out. So it's like wacky colors. I think like one of them is actually for kids.
These are hair chalk, which is pretty cool. I've never even heard of hair chalk. This is gel. So this is gel dye. So we're gonna be trying these.
Yeah.
And I'm actually getting a little sleepy. I feel like maybe we should take a nap.
Before we do this,
Yeah.
should we go take a little nap?
Why don't we go take a nap?
Here we are in my bed.
Yeah, I love taking naps in other people's marital bed.
We're here because we want to talk about our new special Brooklinen sheets.
They are making a fine first impression, let me
Yeah.
tell you. So you slept in these last night.
I did, yes. We're also returning Brooklinen customers. All of our sheets are Brooklinen, actually.
So what makes Brooklinen so cool?
As we all know, sheets are expensive. So we want luxury bed.
Luxury bed.
There are other things that I want to say about this, but it's actually really cozy, and now I'm just kind of sinking into it. The Classic and Luxe Hardcore Bundle sheet sets cost between $200 and $250, depending on the size of your bed, while other luxury sheets could be up to $500. It's like 2 beds. We don't have time for that.
No, this is Los Angeles.
No.
One bed. Brooklinen is offering our viewers a special discount of $20 off any order over $100. Just click the link in our description and use our code, which is right here.
It's our code!
It's right here. You can use it.
Whoa, we're back.
That was a really refreshing nap that we just had.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Now we're actually gonna do this video. I don't know how you apply it. I don't know how it works. So I just read this and it says we should wear gloves.
Go get some gloves, babe.
Gloves. I don't trust us. I don't trust you.
This one time.
You're not even listening to me.
No, sorry, I got distracted by the.
Here's some gloves.
Thanks for the gloves, babe.
My objective here is just to add as many of these colors into my hair as possible. Is that your objective?
Yes.
Is it your objective now?
It's certainly an objective that I have. We both have pretty dark hair, and usually like people will bleach their hair before trying to color it. We're not gonna do that because this is DIY and you know, it's a little bit loosey-goosey.
Dingus it yourself.
Yeah.
It'd be really funny if we just like got stuck on this part and like
These
never.
gloves for infants?
No, they're gloves for people with little hands.
I have gigantic hands.
You don't have gigantic
I have
hands.
these don't fit me.
They don't fit you? Yeah, they do fit you.
No, I'm bursting out of this.
No, you're not. Oh my god.
I have the hands of like a 6'6" basketball
You're
player.
acting like every college freshman when he's given a normal condom. I can't wear this. I'm bursting out of it. It's like, no, you're not.
We have our gloves on.
Choose the hair chalk color you like and apply on the hair from top to bottom. Dry your hair 5 to 10 minutes by air or with hair dryer. Remove the color by washing your hair. Okay, it seems pretty simple. Should I start with purple?
Yeah, why not? I'm gonna go with blue. Ooh, I think my hair's supposed to be wet.
Oh, really?
Do you a towel?
I think I have too much hair. Is this working? I don't think it's working.
Okay, we got my hair wet. Now I'm really ready to... You can see it. It's purple.
It's so hot. So sexy.
I really hope we're doing this right. This looks like straight up paint.
Yeah, do it. Do it, baby.
So this says this is easy to wash, it's water soluble. It says wet your hair, take a little of the hair clay to rub with fingers only. Apply to your hair in a bottom up way. So
Okay.
I think I'm supposed to angle my head down. I'm sorry if this towel gets kind of up.
It's fine. It's a towel. It's not like it's our precious family heirlooms.
Oh, does it look good?
You look like a laser tag teen from like the early 2000s.
Oh. Oh, wow.
That's the voice that you make whenever you're just like, I want to go home.
All right. I actually don't hate it.
Oh wow, actually that looks dope.
Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I actually think this looks kind of cool. Problem is my hair is pretty short on the side, so I don't think I could put dye right here without it kind of just looking like I'm putting on my skin.
Oh.
But I can try and work some other colors into this situation. Kristin's purpling her hair with a marker right now.
Purpling my, this is taking forever. This isn't for people who have a lot of hair, is what I think I'm learning.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try the gel. Okay, hold on. I'm just gonna get my hair wet.
What? Okay, you don't want it to touch your face. I do have a wedding next week, and if I show up with my hair like this, my mother's gonna flip her shit. So let's really hope the water-soluble thing is true. Kristin is switching to this type of dye, the gel.
All right, we're gonna do part. All right. Hold on, sorry. Close your eyes.
Closing.
Oh, I told you to close your eyes.
I did close them, it still got me. Oh.
When you say it like that, I get scared. I just have too much hair. Sorry, I'm just too sexy. This is a mess. Why are you laughing? Stop laughing at me.
I'm laughing at the cut. Like, why did we think we should do this?
I don't know. I look like Grimace. Did it work?
Does it look like it was professionally done on either of us?
Hold on, I'm just gonna rinse this out.
Wait, really?
Yes, because it's getting everywhere.
So, Kristin, what just happened?
Okay, new idea. The hair chalk says that you can do this either wet or dry. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to do like a rainbow on like the wet hair, and I'll dry it and see how it looks when it's dry.
Looks. As my hair dries, I just feel like the color is fading.
I mean, it looks interesting.
Yeah, it certainly looks like somebody tried to do something. An attempt was made.
What's going on with these gloves?
They're too tiny.
They're not too tiny.
They're the smallest gloves.
They're not the small. Your hands are fine.
My hands are gigantic.
Your hands are not gigantic. I don't know why you think this. Why is this so hard for me? What's going on? What's the problem? Do we need to have a conference? Do we have a parent-teacher conference? You're gonna brush this out. Brush it, brush it, brush it.
Just start from the top. Okay. Sorry. So I
Okay.
feel like this is hurting you.
It's not hurting me. It's not hurting me. The only thing that would hurt me is failure.
We shouldn't do this video then.
We're not failing.
All right, you're right. We're not.
We
failing.
don't know that we failed yet. Wait, hold on. Is this the red part? We have to keep the parts separated so that I don't color them.
Yeah, it's separated.
You're not doing that, are you?
No, I'm separating.
I see what you did. I see. Did you not want me to see what you did?
No, it's fine. Yeah, I'm going orange to my left.
God, it's really hard to do your own hair.
Yeah, tell me about it. I'll start with silver. I'm gonna do silver on
Wait,
this.
I'm doing a rainbow. Do gold.
Gold, yeah, gold. I don't know
Okay.
if you can see this, but there's some separation up here in this part. All right, I'll do blue next.
You're already on the, it's green. Yellow, then green. Well, do you not know what a rainbow?
No, what? Is there like a set way for how rainbows look?
Yes!
What? That's not true.
Yes, it is.
There's an order?
Yeah, it's red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. That's the rainbow.
Okay, well, your rainbow's gonna be a little bit different than that.
Why is it gonna be different?
Because that's not what happened. What comes after green?
Blue.
Comes after blue?
Purple.
Really?
If I blow dry my hair, am I gonna find out that you didn't do parts of it?
There's no way to do all of it.
Well, I'm doing all of it.
Are you though?
Yes, I am. How is this supposed to be a fun activity you do with your kids?
I don't know. This would make me wish I didn't have kids.
Did you do the ends?
Yeah.
Is that a lie? Am I gonna find out that it was a lie?
I don't know.
Okay, I'm gonna dry my hair now.
We're gonna go dry our hair. We're gonna see if this worked out. And when we come back, we'll see what happened.
I didn't save the patient. He died.
I think, yeah, see you in a bit. All right, so Kristin has successfully dried her hair, and as you can see, the rainbow is vibrant. The rainbow is real. Is there anything visible? Some colors. Let's see what your wife thinks.
Of my rainbow hair.
Hey, Bree. Bree, will you come in and take a peeky pie?
Your hair is supposed to be different?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you see? There's red on her face.
There's red on her forehead.
Yeah,
And
huh?
then there was red. There's some red here.
Oh, there is some red there.
Yeah. And there's like,
Yeah.
if you can see,
Oh, I see a little blue.
there's yellow.
A little blue. Yeah, there's some yellow.
It's like a
There's
treasure
like
hunt.
some orange.
This is like that scene in Hook where all the kids are imagining the food. I look like a fool.
Well, you look cute. That just it doesn't look like you did anything to your hair.
Yeah.
What about the top of my head, though? Oh.
Yes, you can kind of see there's some yellow.
There's just big chunks of chalk.
What do you think about mine?
You look great. You
look
like
cool.
You look like a hacker in the 90s.
Yeah, you look cool.
I think the lesson we learned today is that DIY hair chalk, not always worth it.
Are you a small child with blonde hair?
This will be really fun for you. Thank you for checking this out. Thank you to Brooklyn for sponsoring this video. And catch us next time. We're doing wacky, wavy stuff.
Wacky, wavy, inflatable arm man. I realized the bathroom was purple, Brie.
I didn't say anything.
Okay.
Sorry, Bree. See you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. This is a video.